Where are you?
Let's one, two, three, go!
Where are you guys? Now Lovey, come inside, have lunch. Lovey, come inside and have lunch. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and I hope you guys are really doing great. And you can see Lovey is not coming. I'm calling Lovey for a while, but she's busy playing with Honey. So let them play. Now I'm going to prepare mutton in kadhai. The full recipe I will be sharing. I will show you the way we Bengalis prepare mutton kadhai. So let's get started without any further ado. And you see, I have bought this color nails, and this is very trendy nowadays, so I have thought of give it a try. So here it is, the colors. You just tell me in my comment section how's the color, and I have got 2-3 more colors I will be sharing later on, maybe in the next vlog or this vlog. Let's see. So some vegetables I'm going to cut, starting with onions. I cannot stand and cut because my sasu ma is preparing something, so I just sat down and cutting the vegetables. Some green chilies, some tomatoes, and ginger garlic. I'll show you everything. And ginger garlic things is just like a grater, so it should not be very fine paste. It should be little dardarasa. Guys, if you like my blog and if you think it is very informative, then please hit that big like button, subscribe to my channel and share with your friends so that I can get motivated and can prepare so many. These are all vegetables are cut down into small pieces, and see garlic, and these are the spices, masalas that I have put it in one plate, and then I am preparing marination of the mutton in different utensils. And as we are Bengalis, to us onions and garlic are considered to be non-veg, so that is the reason why while cooking something non-veg we generally separate the masalas and the things that we are needed for the cooking purpose in a separate bowl, and then we start off with the cooking. And it helps the cooking to be very smooth and very fast also, because it saves time searching this, that, masala. So now like this way I do this, like the way I have shown you. Which are the ways you do? You just comment down and tell me. I should also know about you, right? And this has came to me after I have seen. My mummy does this because there are veg people in our home, and there are also non-veg people, like the widows, like my grandmothers. They cannot able to have this non-veg things, so we separated garlic and onions from the other dish. While we cook, we do the vegetarian dish, and then we prepare non-vegetarian things later on, so that the other people who eats vegetables, vegetarian things, because of the puja purpose or something or other, any reason, so they can also have things very peacefully as well as we do. And the dish is about to get ready in a while, and we are doing a slow process cooking, simmer and then in a high flame, simmer and then a high flame, alternative way, and taking a lot of time while cooking helps help the dish to be very tasty and delicious. I suggest you to please do have a try with this in making mutton in a kadai. I know it is very time consuming, but then it tastes awesome. You just try once and let me know in my comment section. Later on in other blog I will be showing how we cook in the pressure cooker. Enjoy with hot steamed rice, and it is like heaven. And who all are non-veg lovers, they must give it a try. were out to a shopping mall to chill ourselves, where we got to see the piano, and Lovey was keen interested to sit there and sing a song and making a music out of it. So she sat there and enjoyed piano. Good morning, guys. This is the next day morning at 5:30. And Lovey is about to go to school in the morning, so I have to prepare a tiffin for her. So here I am making spaghetti with these vegetables. These vegetables are being chopped so that she don't understand that we have mixed vegetables into spaghetti or noodles. So this is how we make my baby eat vegetables. Spaghetti has come to a boiling point. Here I will stop and then grind the vegetables very tiny pieces so that she will understand that it is just a masala kind of thing. She will not feel that it is vegetables. Now just saute with a little bit of salt and oil in it, and a little sugar, and then black pepper powder. That's all. After it is being cooked properly, fried out properly, add the spaghetti onto it and then give it a good mixture, and it is done. Her tiffin is ready, and now it's time to go to the bedroom and call her up. She is still sleeping. Lovey is done. This is the van that came to pick her up for the school. So there are few students, so they are not getting the bus now. Lovey came back to school. This is her uncle, traveler uncle, drop her to school.
Oh, इसलिए आप नीचे आ गए? ये आपकी फ्रेंड है? आके चुरी हो गए, आके चुरी हो गए। ए डोंट पुल, वो गिर जाएगा लवी। नीचे का हाथ जाएगा, शिव का हाथ जाएगा, टच कर पाओगे? नीचे का ऐसे नहीं फेंकते, जाओ रख के आओ। ऐसे नहीं फेंकते, वो अंकल का खो जाएगा ना। ओपन द डोर, अदरवाइज इट विल लॉक। लॉक भी हो गया, देखो। नहीं 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 नहीं, अंकल खोल दिया, अंकल खोल दिया, अंकल खोल दी। आ जाओ आ जाओ आ जाओ आ जाओ आ जाओ आ जाओ। हाँ, आराम से आराम से। लाभी गेस्ट गेस्ट ABCD দিয়ে গেছে। জুতো পরে যাও। যাও জুতো পরো, আস্তে স্লোলি। হ্যাঁ রেলিং ধরে ধরে যাও, হ্যাঁ রেলিং ধরে ধরে যাও, রেলিং ধরো, রেলিং ধরো, গো, রেলিং ধরে, রেলিং ধরে, রেলিং ধরে। नहीं नहीं लेती तो अच्छी लग रही है ये कटरीना मेरी। हाय, अच्छा ये रहेगी थोड़ी देर में, फिर लेके जाती हूँ, नहीं तो फिर ये गुस्सा करेगी। हाँ कुछ ज्यादा बवाल किया ना तो फोन कर देना, मैं आ जाऊंगी। हाँ।
So guys, this is all for the day. I hope you all liked it. If you like my channel, do like it, share with your friends and comment down. Bye.